These are the top 5 most expensive German cars in 2022. Fifth place, Porsche Mission E. Price $4 million. With more than 600 horsepower, the Porsche Mission E can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds and from 0 to 124 miles per hour in just 12 seconds. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour, it also weighs more than 4,400 pounds and is a sleek, aerodynamically designed vehicle that is sure to draw attention wherever you go. Fourth place, Audi Le Mans Quattro. Price $5 million. Introduced at the Frankfurt Auto Show in 2003, the Le Mans Quattro has a top speed of 214 miles per hour and can go from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds. The headlights and even the doors are uniquely shaped and look elegant, and it has a weight of 3,373 pounds. Third place, Maybach Accelero. Price $8 million. Produced in 2004, the Accelero offers a 700 horsepower engine and a top speed of 218 miles per hour. It can get up to 62 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds, and its design is taken from one of the German sports car that was around in the 1930s. You can tell as soon as you look at it how unique it is, and the black and orange colors used in the car are just as unique as its design. Second place, Mercedes-Mclaren SLR 999 Red Gold Dream. Price $10 million. In a beautiful reddish gold color and a great aerodynamic design, this car has a top speed of 211 miles per hour, which is very impressive. You can also get to 62 miles per hour in a mind-numbing 3 seconds, which is also impressive. It's a very sporty looking vehicle that is covered with 25 layers of red paint and 11 pounds of gold that give it an incredible design, and it took 35 men, 30,000 worker hours and more than $4.8 million to come up with this extraordinary vehicle. First place, Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR W196S. Price $43.5 million. This car is no longer around but was all the rage in 1955. It had a top speed of 186 miles per hour and was a 2-seat sports car racer that even won that year's World Sports Car Championship. It got to 62 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds and was super light at only 1,984 pounds. In addition, it had a bhp weight of 344 bhp per ton. This was an amazing looking white sports car that's likely would have been worth even more money today. These are the top 5 most expensive German cars in 2022. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like the video and share this video with your friends and family. As always, I'll see you in the comments below. Thank you for watching.